Welcome. I'm Sallie Reissman, Dean of the College of Online and Experiential Learning. I'd like to tell you about a new flexible modality. The flexible modality allows students to attend class either face-to-face or synchronously online. Each week, the class will meet at the designated time and location in a classroom with an interactive whiteboard, audio, and video equipment. Students have a choice to attend face-to-face or virtually via a live webinar, with the balance of classwork in Blackboard.
With a flexible modality, you can have more people attending because some are online and some are at different campuses, and that allows for a much greater discussion, much more in-depth conversation. For a long time in undergraduate mathematics, the online world has been asynchronous. This modality will provide the opportunity for people to meet synchronously with other people for an exchange of ideas that is more conducive to conceptual understanding of mathematics, as well as developing classroom norms and camaraderie within the classroom.
I feel like it actually adds a dimension of collaboration, because I give my students a problem to work on, and students at home will put their answers in the chat box, and it's really neat to see when they don't understand a problem, they'll start chatting with each other about how to solve a problem and start working together, as opposed to leaning on me while I'm working with students here in the classroom. Just being able to collaborate in this environment has been really helpful for them, and to build these relationships with each other, and it's been really neat seeing them be like, oh yeah, you struggle with this at your school too, and just seeing some of those relationships build, because I think that's one of the things that is important as a teacher, is to be able to build those relationships.
The website below has information about the video-enabled classroom, how to register for Flex courses, and general guidelines. Faculty may contact multimedia@wilmu.edu to find out how this modality will work for their program.